Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be walking through how to install Chocolatey on Windows. So without any further delays, let's get started. To install Chocolatey on Windows, we need to run a command. Let's go to Chocolatey's website and copy this command. I'll leave this link in the description box below. Now let's open up Windows Terminal with administrative rights. Let's run it as administrator. And let's paste the command and hit on enter. Now let's wait for the installation to get completed. Our installation is now complete. Let's check if Chocolatey is being recognized. Let's type in Choco and hit enter. So we got back the Chocolatey's version. So that is it for this video guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and hit on the notification bells so that you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.